What we find is that our shippers are not prioritizing cost over sustainability, but rather they're looking at ways that they can balance both cost and sustainability. We are certainly seeing shippers who have been successful with reducing their emissions at a cost neutral, or in some cases even a cost reduction over their standard freight costs. We're working with our shippers to create a roadmap, maybe that's 5 years or longer, to show them how they can achieve year-over-year emissions reduction that are feasible within their network. Measuring the success of an emissions reduction strategy is critical. Our shippers need to be able to report that benefit. They need to be able to show the investment that's happening in sustainable transportation. So important for us to be able to establish goals that are realistic and attainable. What we're working with our shippers to do now is create 5+ year roadmaps where we can identify reasonable targets for them to reduce emissions year over year to achieve those longer term goals. As part of that, it's super important to then be able to measure the KPIs that are directly related to those overall targets. So considering carrier selection and how we might show that benefit is super important to a shipper, to be able to report that up to the C-suite or to their global sustainability team or to their shareholders and consumers. Very important for them to be able to take that benefit.